Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 10 most expensive cell phones. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. We live in a technologically advanced age where cell phones have practically become ubiquitous. While it appears that most phones are identical, but for a few operational features, there are a few that stand apart. These are some of the most expensive cell phones in the world, for the most discerning tech aficionados, combining design and utility in very unusual ways. Number 10. Virtue Signature Cobra -$310,000. The Virtue Signature Cobra is the most costly phone on our list. Virtue is known for producing some of the finest luxury phones on the market, and the Signature Cobra edition is no exception. The Signature Cobra is one of 8 limited edition phones, each costing $310,000. It was designed by Boucheron Virtu, a French jewelry firm, and manufactured by hand in the United Kingdom. The Cobra, which wraps itself around the handset and contains 439 rubies and 2 emeralds, is crafted of pure gold, and contains 439 rubies and 2 emeralds. Because only 8 have ever been known to exist, getting your hands on one, even if you're highly connected, may be a nightmare. Number 9. Goldfish Revolution -$488,150. Following that is this stunning $488,150 phone from Goldfish, a well-known Swedish brand. The Revolution is one of the most costly phones ever made, as it is part of a 32-unit series. The phone's form is notably distinct from others, adding to its exclusivity. It also has a sapphire glass display case and is constructed of white and pink gold, exquisite leather, diamonds, and has a sapphire glass display case. If that wasn't enough, the phone also comes with a Frederick Juvenot detachable analog watch. Why not reward yourself if you have nearly $500,000 to spend? Number 8. Gresso Luxor Las Vegas Jackpot $1 million. The Las Vegas Jackpot by Gresso, a world-famous accessories designer, is ranked 7th. One of the most expensive phones in the world can be yours for a cool $1 million. Each phone comes with its own unique number engraved on the rear, as part of a limited edition series of only 3 pieces. The phone is comprised of a whopping 138 grams of gold, and black diamonds weighing in at 45.5 carats each. Number 7. Goldfish Le Million $1 million. The Le Million by Goldfish, a known luxury brand, is the latest phone to break the $1 million barrier. The Guinness Book of Records recognized Le Million as the world's most exclusive and expensive phone at the time of its debut. Emmanuel Guait, a jewelry and watch designer, created the phone. It's made of 18-karat white gold and features 120 carats of VVS1 diamonds set in it, as well as a sapphire glass display box. Goldfish only produced 3 phones as part of a limited edition series, so getting your hands on one will be difficult. Number 6. Diamond Crypto Smartphone $1.3 million. The Diamond Crypto smartphone was originally thought to be the world's most costly phone. JSC Ancourt created the phone, which was manufactured by Alwason. The phone's logo and home button are made of rose gold, and the majority of the phone is constructed of solid platinum. In addition, the phone is studded with 50 diamonds, including 10 rare blue-clowered diamonds. Macassar ebony is used to make the minimal quantity of wood on the sides of the phone. Apart from the phone's ultra-luxurious appearance, the software it runs on has been designed to incorporate a specific encryption mechanism that protects the owner's sensitive data. Number 5. iPhone 3G Kings Button $2.5 million. The iPhone 3G Kings Button, which costs $2.5 million, is the world's 6th most expensive phone. The phone is constructed of 18-karat yellow, white, and rose gold, and was designed by Austrian designer Peter Allison. 138 diamonds adorn the white gold strip that runs around the whole edge of the phone. The 6.6-carat single-cut diamond that replaces the iPhone's original home button is perhaps the most significant and lavish element of the iPhone. I don't know what luxury is if pushing a 6.6-carat diamond to move your apps around isn't it. The phone is regarded as one of the most gorgeous on the market, and is quite popular among phone enthusiasts. Number 4. Goldstriker iPhone 3GS Supreme $3.2 million. The Goldstriker 3GS Supreme has many of the same characteristics as the 3G Kings button, but it has more carats. Stuart Hughes' phone is built of 271 grams of 22-karat gold and is another successful innovation. 136 diamonds adorn the iPhone's bezel, while 53 diamonds adorn the Apple emblem on the phone's back. The Gold Striker sports a single-cut diamond for a home button, just like the King's button, but this one is a massive 7.1 carats. Number 3. Stuart Hughes iPhone 4 Diamond Rose Edition $8 million. Stuart Hughes's third iPhone design partnership comes in at number 3. This Apple iPhone 4 Diamond Rose Edition is the world's third most expensive phone. Only 2 phones have been made to date in order to keep it exclusive, and each one was totally customized for its owners. The phone is built of solid rose gold and features a total of 500 carats of diamonds, with 53 diamonds adorning the Apple logo. The home button, like the last 2 phones on our list, is composed of a single-cut pink diamond weighing 7.4 carats. If you're into packaging, you'll be happy to learn that $8 million will bring you a solid granite presentation box, similar to the Gold Striker Supreme and King's button. Number 2. Stuart Hughes iPhone 4's Elite Gold $9.4 million. Stuart Hughes's next iPhone is worth a stunning $9.4 million, continuing his supremacy in the luxury phone industry, and making yet another one of the world's most costly phones. With the title of second most expensive phone in the world, there are high expectations. Having said that, the Elite Gold iPhone 4 does not disappoint. The handcrafted phone has a 500 and 100 carat diamond coating, as well as a 24 carat gold back panel and logo. The home button is composed of an 8.6 carat single-cut diamond, and the logo comprises 53 diamonds for that extra wow effect. If you lose or forget that 8.6 carat single-cut diamond, you'll be relieved to learn that your $9.4 million investment also includes a 7.6 carat single-cut diamond as a backup. To top it off, the phone arrives in a massive box. It's composed of pure platinum and features genuine polished T-Rex dinosaur bones. Number 1. Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond $48.5 million. The Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond Edition is the world's most expensive phone, costing an incredible $48.5 million. The Falcon Supernova is a personalized iPhone 6 that debuted in 2004, and is covered in 24 karat gold with a big pink diamond on the back. It's also platinum coated and equipped with hack protection technologies to keep the owner's information private from prying eyes. Neeta Ambani, Asia's richest woman and owner of the Indian cricket team, is the proud owner of the pink diamond Falcon Supernova. It may not be the most attractive phone on the list, but it is the most expensive phone in the world, so it deserves credit for that. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.